Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job notification from 3 companies. So let's get started. First, HCL. They are hiring for developer position, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required qualification includes Associate of Science, BTech, BE candidates are eligible for this position. Both freshers and experienced candidates can apply for this position. Job responsibilities includes to develop code and plan to meet product or process requirements with appropriate guidance from team leads as per agreed use of cases and timelines, to document assigned work in all stages of project and assure timely communication to all impacted areas, very important point, to participate in project planning meeting, stated reviews, to resolve, debug simple issues identified through code testing and provide support in customer technical issues to overcome limitations within the product, to support in developing consumable products in terms of user experience. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide direct HCL link in description. And next, job notification from Brilio company, hiring for software engineering position, work location Bangalore. For selected candidate, salary is 4,25,000 per annum. Freshers can apply for this position. Last date to apply Monday 22nd March 2021. Drive location online, drive date is Wednesday 24th March 2021. Eligibility criteria, candidate need to complete BE BTech in CS or IT specialization 2020 batch, good PH score and as well as excellent academic records. Job description includes good logical thinking, go-getter attitude, ability to think outside boundary, adaptability to changing technology needs as a project demands. Additionally, will need to have patience to work hard when needed, but be smart in handling hard work. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. And last job notification from Sensata, they are hiring for application engineering position, work location Pune. Required qualification, candidates who have completed university degree, that is bachelor degree, can apply for this position, freshers and as well as experienced candidates. The only thing is candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Preferred qualification, must be a team player able to work in fast-paced environment with good presentation skills. Strong organization, planning, time management skills to achieve results. Holds self-accountable to achieving goals and standards. Strong personal, professional ethical values and integrity. Proficient in MS Office programs like Word, Outlook, PowerPoint and Excel. Strong interpersonal and collaboration skills to work effectively with all the levels of organizations, including suppliers and external customers. In the same notification, they even clearly mention regarding general responsibilities, for example, create design failure modes and effect analysis, ensure project meet customer requirements and quality standards, very important point, establish relationship with existing customer base and understand their business needs and customer applications. So, please do refer once. I am going to provide link in description. So, I am providing 3 important links in description. Through links you can apply for particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.